Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You have probably clicked on this video because you want to experiment with Pinterest for your business or content. If yes, you are in the right place. In this video, I will share my Notion dashboard that will help you streamline your Pinterest marketing workflow. You will find the link of this template on the description below. Pinterest is an image-based search engine which is used for promoting creative businesses and blogs. It is a go-to social media platform for anyone looking for inspiration, tips, or aesthetic products. This straightforward template will help you make the most out of Pinterest and drive traffic to your website. So, let's get started. Once you open the template, you will see a checklist that will help you optimize your Pinterest business account. Make sure your brand communication is consistent across all channels. In order to help you with that, I have added a brand guideline that will help you get your tone on point. Pinterest is all about search engine optimization or SEO. In the SEO and Content Bucket page, you can categorize the type of content you want to promote on Pinterest, along with the keywords you can use for your campaign. You must use Pinterest Trends and Keywords.io for your keyword research for better results. You can also collaborate with other creators and manage your work in this database. Pinterest is excellent when it comes to blogging. I have added a page which is entirely dedicated to using pins to promote your blogs. You also get a template to write your search engine optimized blogs and track the progress on the database. Remember that you need to publish several pins a day to see results. You also need to keep in mind that SEO takes time to drive traffic to your site. I have also added a mood board of pins that will inspire you to creatively promote your blogs on the platform. Tips, tutorials, and listicles perform very well on Pinterest. I have added the link to the Pinterest Analytics dashboard, which you must use to analyze your traffic. You can use this database and calendar to manage your pins. One of the best features on Pinterest is that you can schedule your pins by batch. You can add your description, link to your web page, and your Canva link all in one database to manage your work. This is optional, but if you want to add more analytical insights of your website, store, or social media, you can use Graphy to analyze your data. It is totally free and compatible with Notion. At last, I have also added a space where you can define your ideal customer and a pin size chart for your reference. And that's the end of this walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed the video and you can purchase this template from the link on the description below. See you on the next video. Bye.